Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today, we're spotlighting one of the best webcams ever created for professional streaming, video conferencing, and content creation, the Logitech BRIO UHD 4K webcam model 960-001105. Whether you're live on YouTube, presenting on Zoom, or recording content for your audience, this webcam delivers unmatched video clarity and advanced AI-driven performance. Right out of the box, the Logitech BRIO impresses with 4K Ultra HD resolution at 30 fps, or 1080p at 60 fps, offering a level of detail and sharpness that blows typical built-in webcams out of the water. It's perfect for streamers, educators, and remote workers who want their visuals to look crisp and professional every time. The star feature here is RightLight 3 technology with HDR, which intelligently adjusts exposure and contrast in real time even in tough lighting situations like backlighting or low light. Whether you're sitting near a window or in a dim room, your image stays balanced, bright, and natural looking. The camera also boasts a premium glass lens, 5x digital zoom, and adjustable field of view options. Choose between 65 degrees, 78 degrees, or 90 degrees depending on how much of your background or workspace you want to show. This is especially useful for content creators who want full control over their framing. Built-in dual omnidirectional microphones pick up your voice clearly from various angles, cancelling out background noise for cleaner audio, great for interviews, meetings, and commentary. And for those who value privacy, a detachable privacy shutter is included to instantly block the lens when not in use. The Logitech BRIO is plug and play with USB 3.0, fully compatible with Windows, Mac OS, and Chrome OS, and integrates smoothly with all major platforms including Zoom, Microsoft Teams, OBS, Streamlabs, and more. This version also comes with a bundle kit typically including a tripod, lens cloth, carrying pouch, or extension cable, making it the ideal creator package. If you're ready to upgrade your webcam setup and look 10x sharper on screen, the Logitech BRIO 4K webcam is a must-have for 2025. Check the description link below for the best pricing and full kit details. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe to Gadgetverse, and hit that bell. We're reviewing the hottest creator tools daily. See you next time.